The RingkeFusionX is one of the top cases right now amongst all the brands that have cases, and Ringke was nice enough to send theirs over to me for the Samsung Galaxy A51. Now, the A51 is a very popular device right now, and we're going to try on some of the cases here and show you how they fit. The A51, it just turned out to be just the top dog for the budget game at the moment. And why not have Ringke throw down one of their best cases for it? That's the way it should be. So I've got all the colors here, and again, I appreciate Ringke sending over the cases. I've got all the colors, and we're gonna try them on here. I did recently switch to the white Galaxy A51, so that's perfect. You get to see really a lot of how the case will look. So let's get this off here. They've done also great improvements for the interiors for taking those off. So here's the A51. Let's pop it in. Oh, just a great fit. Let's pull the back off. I think all of these colors are gonna look great. So here is the blue RingkeFusionX. You can see a nice deep recession for the camera cutout, so you can lay it flat like this and you won't have a problem. And then it also has lay on the table design. You've got huge corners, and the sides are raised a little bit so you can drop down face down. You shouldn't have a problem. Buttons are nice and tactile. Let's get it unlocked here with the face here. Volume rocker, looking pretty good. And you've got cutouts for the headphone jack, speaker, microphone, and Type-C port. On the top you have another microphone up there as well. Nice texture on the power button, nice and smooth. You got a spot for a lanyard down here, and everything just looks and feels fantastic. And you got that real faint RingkeFusionX branding on all the cases. So now I'm just gonna try them on and show you how they look, and we'll get this ended.